there's a place above Earth, where satellites die, compasses go mad, and even astronauts whisper of strange sensations. It's invisible, expanding, and no one knows how to stop it. For years, NASA has monitored this dead zone. They call it the South Atlantic Anomaly. Imagine you're aboard the International Space Station, all systems nominal, until you pass over one specific region of Earth. Suddenly, your instruments glitch. Radiation sensors spike. This isn't just a random area. It's a profound thinning of our planet's electromagnetic defenses, a place where Earth's magnetic field dips dangerously close to the surface. A vulnerability that exposes everything to the harsh, unfiltered radiation of deep space. Satellites entering this zone often experience memory errors or total failure. This isn't science fiction. This is the South Atlantic Anomaly, Earth's Bermuda Triangle in the sky. Spanning from the coast of Brazil to parts of Africa, it's the region where Earth's magnetic field is at its weakest and most unstable. Earth's magnetic field isn't a perfect sphere. It's lopsided, warped by the molten iron churning deep below us. But over the past century, the South Atlantic Anomaly has been expanding rapidly. Recent data from NASA shows a disturbing trend. Not only is the South Atlantic Anomaly growing, it's splitting. One anomaly, becoming two. Could this be a natural cycle? Or is something interfering? To understand the South Atlantic Anomaly, we must peer deep within Earth itself, to a massive geological anomaly beneath Africa that may be pulling the strings. But what if this isn't just natural? What if it's a symptom of something Earth has endured countless times before? In 1965, aerospace engineer John Thomas tried to warn us. His manuscript was seized by the CIA and was allowed to publish a sanitized version of his book, The Adam and Eve Story. The story was about the end of the world, except most of the important details were redacted and classified for national security concerns. Thomas's secrets would die with him in 1998. In 2013, a heavily redacted version of the original classified book was released, but the critical pages were still blacked out, hidden from the public. What deadly secrets was Thomas trying to reveal? And why did the CIA bury them? High radiation in the South Atlantic Anomaly isn't just a hazard for electronics. Astronauts have reported seeing phantom flashes, bursts of light behind their eyes, even when closed. But the mystery deepens when you look down at Earth. Beneath the anomaly lies a sunken tectonic graveyard, the African Large Low Shear Velocity Province. This colossal, dense formation disrupts the flow of molten iron in our planet's outer core, the very engine that generates our magnetic field. This disruption is what creates the weak spot we see in the sky. And it's not just above us. Strange electromagnetic readings have been detected deep underground. But there's more beneath the surface. Literally, ancient ruins scattered across Brazil and Namibia may hold silent warnings. In Brazil's Amazon, hundreds of vast geometric geoglyphs have been uncovered. Perfect circles, squares, and interlocking lines, visible only from the air. Further south, Jesuit mission ruins have recorded magnetic anomalies in their clay bricks, fired centuries ago. Evidence that the SAA's strange influence is older than science admits. Across the Atlantic in Namibia, scientists discovered microscopic tunnels, carved into marble by something not geological. Some believe they were created by an unknown life form. Others think it was buried technology. These ancient clues whisper of interference from within the Earth or beyond it. Other theories persist. Secret military installations, alien bases, buried energy experiments, HARP-like operations using high-frequency waves to control weather or mines. After Alaska's HARP facility was exposed, many thought these experiments had ended. Have they? Because something buried deep beneath the surface is expanding the SAA. Earth's magnetic poles have switched places before, multiple times. Science calls these geomagnetic reversals. The last full reversal happened 780,000 years ago. Scientists fear we're overdue. And the SAA. It might be the first crack in the shield. If Earth's magnetic field collapses or reverses, cosmic radiation would flood the planet. Satellites, navigation systems, the entire power grid, gone. Global networks fried, auroras at the equator, ozone thinned, cancer rates soaring. This brings us back to John Thomas. He believed that sudden pole shifts, what he called flips, were the triggers behind Earth's greatest cataclysms. Massive land displacements, the eruption of the Yellowstone supervolcano, ash that darkened the skies, oceans that surged and swallowed coastlines, temperatures that plunged overnight, and with them, entire civilizations erased. Science refers to the last of these as the Brunhes-Matuyama reversal. But all the critical details? Redacted, classified, buried under national security. These flips happen every 200,000 to 300,000 years. The last full flip? 780,000 years ago. We are long overdue. And the consequences? Extinction level. In 2024, MJ-12, the shadowy agency that officially doesn't exist, trained a machine learning model on the planet's geomagnetic data. The prediction was alarming. The SAA will merge with another weakening zone over the Indian Ocean, forming a planetary-scale blind spot. The model's name? Prometheus X. Created by geophysicists and defense analysts. Its conclusion? By 2032, radiation levels will double above key latitudes. By 2040, GPS satellites will become unreliable over 30% of the planet. The most disturbing part? Prometheus X was shut down. Its final simulation deleted. But a fragment leaked. It showed only 2 remaining magnetic sanctuaries by 2050, Antarctica and Greenland. Soon after, the US made an unprecedented move, offering to buy Greenland. When that failed, annexation rumors surfaced. Not for minerals, not for military bases, but because Greenland may be the last safe zone left on Earth. Some believe Earth's magnetic field is under external interference, that someone, or something, is tampering with the core. Ancient structures in Brazil and Namibia, were they built to monitor Earth's field or control it? And if that's the case, it might be a way to study us. A test to see how much disruption our planet can handle. How long our systems, our satellites, even our people can survive. Or maybe it's not a test at all. Maybe it's a warning. John Thomas tried to warn us, but he was suppressed by a shadow alliance. He believed an alien race, the Greys, and an ancient controlling force. The Illuminati had convinced the CIA and MJ-12 to silence him. Their goal? A controlled apocalypse. And from chaos comes control. Government scientists say the anomaly is natural. But the SAA is growing. The field is weakening. If Earth's magnetic shield fails, even for a day, it could change everything. Will we adapt? Will we survive? Or will we become the next forgotten civilization buried beneath anomaly zones of the future? Do you believe we were told the truth? Or only what they wanted us to believe? Are we just livestock, waiting for the next reset? Is Earth's magnetic shield really collapsing? And what if Greenland becomes one of the last safe places on the planet? What happens then? Let us know what you think in the comments. Will the US annex Greenland for national survival? Is the South Atlantic Anomaly a natural event or something engineered? And do you believe the truth about John Thomas was buried to protect us or to control us? If you made it this far, you're one of us. Subscribe for more thought-provoking stories, real or imagined. You decide.